so the vehicle is not starting. So I'll speak to the client so that they check the rotor that the crank signal is reading. So that the rotor. So now you can see there's too much noise in the crank signal, which is not allowing the vehicle to start. So I'll speak to the client about it, then we'll see what we can do best. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. So if you can see, there's too much noise in the signal, in the crank signal, so it's not allowing the vehicle to start actually. So we'll speak to the client about it, then we'll see what to do. So this is a known good way from kit parking, from L1 training. So you can see this 9 signal, then you can see where the missing teeth is, then you see the missing teeth. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.